The following message was transmitted by request of the National Weather Service. A tornado warning for all of Shelby County, Alabama. People of Shelby County, Alabama must be evacuated now. Big short. Replacement. If not all residents. For all for all residents of Shelby County, Alabama must be evacuated now. This tornado can destroy our county seat. This tornado can destroy our county seat. And this message was the Shelby County, Alabama Emergency Management Agency. This tornado can destroy everywhere in towns, incorporated communities, incorporated territories, census designated places, small towns, cities, and county seats. And county seats. This is our worst. This is Shelby's County, Alabama worst tornado ever. This tornado is called the the Shelby County, Alabama trouble, and it's a EF5. They destroyed all of the county seat of Shelby County, Alabama. All residents of Shelby County, Alabama should evacuate now. Which we don't know what is happening in this county, but maybe this county got trouble something. Tornadoes can destroy houses and most likely stay away from this tornado. This tornado can cause big havoc in the whole entire Shelby County area. Stay tuned on this local media outlets. If you have a radio, stay tuned on these local media outlets for more updates on this dangerous situation. And if you don't have a mailbox, we will send it to your. We will send. If you don't have a mailbox, we will send you a box. If you have a mailbox, we can send the mail from the instructions. You can also visit our website at thenationalweatherservice.com. Now stay tuned on these local media outlets for more updates on this dangerous situation. Beep. Beep.